Okay guys, welcome back to this channel. Now earlier on we had seen a simple introduction code just introducing you to Python. So we want to make things exciting. We want to get the name from the user. We want to prompt the user to give us the name. So my variable can be any other variable. So let me just say maybe let me call this one my name. Remember, you need to understand ways on how you can name, safe ways you can name your variables. So I can say my name, then I get a prompt input from the user. What can say maybe enter your name. So guys, remember the learning style here is just throwing in a couple of basics for you to grasp before we set on a defined maybe road. When you're going to talk about the dictionary, the list, understand maybe some operators in Python, understand the syntax before we come to the object oriented part. To understand the structural part needs a lot of practice. So here what I've done, I'm just prompting the user to just give us the name. Then after the user gives us the name, we can now go ahead and say hi to the user. Okay, it is just a series of just understanding. Yeah, that is okay. And one thing you realize is that in visuals, uh, in my VS Code here, uh, I have maybe the command prompt down here. So as you can see, let me clear this, then I show you. Nice. Here, this is where I'm writing the code, and down here we have the terminal. I know it's a lot to grasp, but just try to work with me here. So we have the terminal here. So if I run these two lines of code, it will ask for me to enter my name. I can say like that, and then once I press that, it will just tell me, hi Guaro, welcome to Python. So this is just a terminal within VS Code that enables me to instantly view what I've just entered there. So guys, why can't you go and practice this? Juggle around, look and create different variables. You don't have to have maybe a specific variable. Just juggle around. Then the next lesson we're going now to be more structural and proceed. Remember to subscribe and welcome back. It's been a while. Thank you.